Oh, it's a nice flatty. It's a nice flathead, mate. Oh no! I was rooting around with my neck. Morning one. Actually, it's morning two, but first full day of Andrew and I on our 3-day camp and fish exercise. And this is our camp, as you can see. This is our that's Andrew sleeping down there, and I'm up there. Chilly night here down at Marlo in Victoria. Andrew's attempting to make coffee there. Anyway, there. Got the yaks ready to go out. Snowy River. So we go out of this little estuary out onto the Snowy. It was pleasant down here camping last night. That's preparation for you. He was easily big enough to warrant the net. I had the net handle in my Railblazer mount, and it went in very easily, but when I tried to get it out, it wouldn't. It was jammed. I must have taken the tension off the line. I'm gonna have a look over here. I'm going to go up to the end of it. I've seen plenty of fish, but it's the sort of area where there's something over there right now. Day 3 and the last day of our Andrew's and mine fishing expedition, if you like. Quick trip along the 3 days along the lower east coast of Australia. We've had mixed fortunes. Caught fish every day, but it's been tough. Spent the night before last and all of yesterday at the Walagaru River down at Malakuta. I think it's Walagaru. We caught fish. Turns out we caught more than most people were catching down there, but it wasn't great. Most people told us it was all shut down. Andrew's caught a reasonable flathead here. We've moved up the coast a bit today. Oh no. Just dropped one. I've been busted off a couple of times here today. Dropped a really nice flatty here about 10 minutes ago on 4-pound line. It's the problem, this reel's not fast enough. I'm doing a drift and because the wind's pushing me, it's I'm not keeping up with the line. Keeping the line tight enough. I'm working overtime to just try and keep the line tight. The water's very, very murky here. And interestingly though, I've had all my hits on I tried darker lures and I wasn't getting anything. This sort of motor oily type, and this one's got fleck in it. I've got quite a few hits on that. I've only had it on for a few minutes. Yet to catch anything on it, but you just saw that run then. I need to get in close to that log there. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what a flatty. What a flatty. What a fantastic fish. What a fish, eh? Yes, you beauty. See you later, buddy. Oh, fantastic. Just when you think the fishing's done for the day. So we're at the end of our trip, and this is the result of that 60-65 centimetre flathead I caught. All the lines twisted up, so it's basically fucked. So over the 3 days we've had some pretty good times. We've been to 4 different fishing spots on the east coast. We've camped, we've played around, tried different things, and in the end I think I've got my PB Kayak Flathead, which is good. So I'm pretty stoked with that. Andrew's just sent me a picture. He's caught himself a nice tailor. I'm sure you guys can see that. If you have a look at this one here though, that's the world's smallest flathead. He caught that earlier. Anyway, I guess that's over and out for us. Our getting a little bit hungry. Our stomachs, I think, are sort of had enough of camp food. Kayak's a bit of a mess, as you can see. I'll be interested to see when I open up my photos, and this is the one that did the damage. I put this on today, never used it before, a Cultiva, and yeah, throw it in the fresh water there for a sec. But you can see what the flathead did to my line. 16 pound trilene, and that was 60-65 centimetre flathead, I'd say. Anyway, I'm heading back to the car. You can see it in the distance over there, the trailer. Andrew can unhook his tailor. We'll get a bit of surprise when I show him the flathead. So all up, you know, we caught, I don't know, probably between us we've probably caught 10 fish, 12 fish today. I've dropped probably almost that many again. Yesterday we did alright. Andrew caught a couple of decent flatties, I caught a couple of flatties, 2 small brim and about half a dozen tailor. So first day, Marlo, we didn't catch a thing on the Snowy River, but saw a great sunrise, had a great time camping, and can't wait till we get in and do this again. Alright, it's over and out from me. See you later, guys.